मैं इस वक्त ये सोच रही हूँ कि सचमुच अर्श से सितारे यहाँ उतरे हैं। मेरे सामने मेरी आंखें चौधिया रही हैं और मेरे बगल में दो ऐसे लुमिनरीज खड़े हैं। मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि शब्दों में मैं कैसे जस्टिस करूं। आप लोगों के लिए कुछ भी कहना कम होगा। It's such a privilege and such an honor to have both of you together on this stage. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. सर, मैं ये चाहूँगी कि जब ये क्रिएटिव जर्नी शुरू हुई, आप सबने कोलैबोरेट किया, how was this journey? How was the experience? Because for all of us, we definitely want to know how this process was.
जब मैं पहली बार रहमान साहब से मिला तो मुझे मालूम था कि अगर मैंने अपनी कविताओं की बात की तो ये कुछ हैरान होंगे और शायद सोच भी रहे होंगे कहाँ से पॉलिटिशियन दिल्ली का आ गया, इसको क्या मालूम कविता क्या होती है। जब बातचीत हुई तो उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे अपनी कविताएं कुछ सुनाओ, तो मैंने चुनिंदा कोई 29-30 कविताएं इनके लिए ख़ास तौर पे चुनी थी
जी।
तो जब मैं इनको सुनाने लगा तो अब वकील हूँ, पहचान जाता हूँ कि रुख का किस तरफ जा रहा है जी। तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि रहमान साहब को पसंद आ रही हैं। तो देन ही टोल्ड मी, ही सेड लुक यू लीव दीज विद मी, अच्छा लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट, लेट मी सी हाउ दे फिट इनटू my ideas of music. जी. And so I left the poems with him. जी. And after a couple of months, when I was getting a little panicky, I tried to contact him. And then, of course, lo and behold, one day, he himself sent me an SMS, an email, okay, and said, let's do it.
Let's create some magic.
That's how it all started.
Oh, fabulous. रहमान साहब, जब आपने इनकी कविताएं सुनी और पढ़ी, तो पहला रिएक्शन क्या था? क्योंकि यूजुअली हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि, एज ही करेक्टली सेड, कि अच्छा लॉयर हैं, पॉलिटिशियन हैं, यू नो, वुड बी समबडी नॉट रियली वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन पोइट्री और म्यूजिक। तो आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था?
The first time I met him, he had a 50 poems bound book, and he started reading them, and I found many of them very fascinating, and also in a zone which is naturally evolved rather than being forced to write, or I should think intellectually. So it was from the heart and simple enough to tune for me. And so I thought, why be careful about everything in life? Let's take a chance and do this.
That's a beautiful thought. Why be careful? Actually, जब रूह बात करती है,
that's common between us.
Yes, I can see that. और आज सच में रूह बात कर रही है, क्योंकि रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में हम इतने मसरूफ हो जाते हैं कि अपनी रूह की आवाज को सुन ही नहीं पाते हैं. So I think this day is dedicated to allowing our soul to whisper to us. I hope you'd all agree with that. सर, किस्मत के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए, क्योंकि उसकी जो पंक्तियां हैं बहुत खूबसूरत हैं और उसके पीछे जो थॉट है, it's absolutely fabulous.
किस्मत एक बड़ी गजब की चीज है
जी,
बिन पूछे बदल जाती है
जी, बिल्कुल,
खुशियां भी लाती है और गम भी लाती है
जी.
और जब आदमी मोहब्बत करता है, कोई भी इंसान मोहब्बत करता है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि किस्मत खिलवाड़ कर रही है. जब माशूक रूठ जाता है या लगता है कि वो जो नज़दीकियां होनी चाहिए नहीं हो रही
जी,
तो उसको लगता है कि किस्मत खिलवाड़ कर रही है.
जी, बिल्कुल.
तो क्यों खेले रे मेरी किस्मत से, क्यों खेले रे मेरी किस्मत से, कैद में तेरी बालम रे.
क्या बात है.
क्यों खेले रे मेरी किस्मत से, कैद में तेरी बालम रे, मोरे पंख क्यों तूने काटे, मोरे पंख क्यों तूने काटे, मन में मुझे बैठा के.
क्या बात है सर. Mr. Subramaniam, tell me something. When you sort of read, you know, his work, how did you feel, and what was that vision of collaboration that has just happened? Would you like to?
Sorry, actually, when we heard the music first, I think Rahman had put it very well just yesterday. When you see these, and we're just talking about it, the poetry, which actually is meaningful and it requires full reading. And what Rahman has done, if you really see, once you hear it, is that the melodies themselves are slightly more traditional and more classical, or have kind of that kind of structure, but the arrangements are very modern and kind of sparse. So it's a brilliant combination of, I think, best of these both worlds coming together. And as the line says, it's a conversation between music and poetry. That's what it is.
Fantastic, fantastic. Yes, absolutely. It's time to watch the video.
So the first video was, so when I was thinking about how to execute and how to make a tune, I felt that it could start as a very simple song in a house, and it could probably relate to female empowerment, the end of it. So that's the video which we're trying to make, very exciting video. And so I wanted Lataji to sing this, the song, and it's almost like a blessing. And of course I'm going to sing along with her. And okay, so that song is yet to be done.
Yes.
But we have his poem. We could probably talk about the next song, which...
Absolutely, absolutely. लाडली के बारे में बात हो गई है. अब हमें काम...
This tune is a very, very slow tune. If I had played to any director in movies, they would have said, no, I don't want the tune, it's too slow. So I was wanting to do a video which could really, really complement it. Absolutely. And I was looking at the paintings of Raja Ravi Verma and said, what if these paintings come alive with our main hero and heroine? So we did the shoot last week. Muzammal sitting here,
Yami and Muzammal,
the warrior, and Yami Gautam is playing there.
It was
and then Janita is singing.
Right.
And my boys out in Chennai have a team now, visual team, who are working closely with me. It's Amit Krishnan and Adi and Vijay.
I see.
So we work together and hope you like this video.
It's going to be a masterpiece.